I started looking for a HR course here in Bangalore. Then I was searching in Google and I came to know CHRMP here in Ripples Learning. Then I joined here without knowing anything on the HR side. Because I am a techie, I worked almost some 12 years in the technical side. Then I wanted to switch to HR side. Then I started looking and I got to know this learning center. And when I joined, I was not quite sure about what is it all about and all. After completing the course, I came to know about HR, and I am quite confident to do all the activities as a generalist, and going forward I will be specializing in some areas of HR like negotiations areas and compensation and benefits. I definitely recommend this course to all of you, whoever is looking for a HR course, and here it Ripples, because it's a very good learning skill area. All professionals here are really good. The way they designed and presented the course is amazing. I really liked about it. Definitely I would suggest to my friends. That's all about it. Thank you.